or a bowler?
I am all-rounder.
High five, well done. How old are you? 11. Your name? Sonakshi. Sonakshi, all I will tell you right now, like I said, you know, it all starts with a dream, and just do whatever it takes to make sure that dream comes true. Because trust me, it's a lot of hard work, a lot of sacrifices. Like I started at 4 but played for India when I was 17. So it's like so many years of every day doing the same boring thing again and again and again and again and again. But trust me, when you go out there and you get your India cap, which I'm sure you will get, maybe I'll still be a part of the team and you wear your India jersey, it'll be such a dream come true for me also. To see you, then you'll tell me, you know, Didi, that time we spoke and you told this. So I would just tell, just work absolutely hard, but don't forget to enjoy doing what you do because you love playing cricket at the same time. Thank you. Well done.
While you are struggling, you don't feel like giving up and all. Like you are struggling from so much, like low age.
What's your name?
Swarni.
Yeah, it's a lovely question, Swarni. Honestly, there have been so many times I felt like giving up. Like, there have been so many obstacles, so many ups and downs, and cricket is such a game, you know, that sometimes people judge you on your performance and forget that there's a human also here. Because now with so much social media, with everyone loving cricket, everyone following me, you get a lot of praise, but at the same time, you get a lot of criticism also. And I think that was something I had to really work hard to, tell myself not to get affected. And to be honest, even till now, I still do get affected, but not maybe as much as I was before. So I think, yeah, there are ups and downs, but how I see it, like a lot of people talk about your success, about how good you are, or the good days. But I feel the good days are great. I love them. I want to have them every day. But I feel it's actually the bad days and the failures that prepare you for something bigger and better in the future. And that's hard when you're going through something, but I think even when you're down and you're out, if you have the right perspective, you keep being honest in your work, you keep working hard, keep doing whatever it takes, I think there are better days coming ahead. So the only thing at that time, what you need to do is just keep showing up on that day. Maybe there were days I didn't even want to practice. I didn't want to get up in the morning. I didn't want to go to the gym. But all I did is showed up. Maybe I just came on the ground. And I think God blessed me for just showing up on certain days. So I think that's the same for you. So yeah, just keep working hard, that's all. Yeah.
So we all know that you have a great bond with Smriti. What was your feeling when you were playing against her in WPL? Because you are in DC and she's in RCB.
Full khunnas mein I played. No, I think we are like best of friends of the field, but when we play against each other, I think we have that fight in us, both of us, and that's a very healthy fight. I think you should have it because, see, we are professionals at the end. We are representing different teams. So when we are playing there, it's our 100% commitment to that team and to do whatever it takes to help that team win. So it doesn't matter I'm playing with my best friend or no, but I think when we are on the ground, we're pretty professional, and yeah, it's a lot of fight over there.